Hey there, top tier drywall team. This is Mick Julian, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help, of course, bring more customers to your business. So, most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company as well. And sometimes the only hesitation they have is hiring someone they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free. And it has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Nice work, Mick Julian, please do this for me." So if by the end of this video you have like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, so that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your site, and that's what you're found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page. Looks like you guys are running around 483 words, so not enough content for them to really find you relevant. Your competition, on the other hand, when I went out and looked, so I searched in painting Bridgeton, New Jersey, and here's the results. So by the way, this is called the map pack right here, and DJ's painting is the competitor that I will be comparing you with, and they're at the top of the map pack. So again, the first thing we went over is content, right? So you need to get that content up for 1500 words. It looks like your competition probably has 1209 words. So we have some room for improvement. We can definitely beat them out with content on the front page. All right, and also their back pages. This is called the back pages. You see the numbers of back pages they have. Okay, so for your website, we need to add more back pages just like what they have right now. Okay, so we need to definitely build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. Okay, so now let's talk about the second thing I want to go over with you today: link juice or backlinks. This second pillar will really help you dominate on Google. So when we search for painting Bridgeton, New Jersey, and we scroll down past the map pack here, so it looks like uh you can see your site isn't number one or here at even at the top 10. Okay, and but that's where you want to be, right? And to get there, you need authority. So how do you get authority? When it Well, it all comes down to backlinks, and a backlink is one website um links to another website online. So think like this: if site A links to site B, then site A is going giving site B some of its link juice, kind of like a vote of confidence, and in Google's eyes this is passing authority. And the more the relevant the site, the more the valuable the link. Let me give you an example, another example. So let me give you an example. Oh, if you get a local blog or industry site linking back to you, then great. But if you are painting business and you got a backlink from Pizza Hut linking to you, not so great because you don't sell pepperoni, right? So here's your site. You've got 64 backlinks. Not bad, but not dominant. So your competition, on the other hand, now look at your competitor here. They have 199 backlinks from strong and relevant sources. Okay. So once again, how do we get this? Well, with Ahrefs, we can see exactly which sites are linking to them, and we can go get those same links for your business. Okay, so be clicking here. So this is an example of backlink, and this website is linking to the to DJ's painting website. Okay, so that's what backlinks are for. It gives a vote of confidence when, of course, linked to it, right? So it gives more power to your competitor. Okay, so we need to get that right, or strongest backlinks that they have, and then we can start ranking in the map pack too. Okay. This next thing we're talking about is citation. It has everything to do with this map pack right here. And of course, get up there, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, City Star, and Yext, and all those different website directories. So this is example of citation, right? And of course, it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google, exact address and exact business phone number as it appears on Google, and it's got to be pushed throughout the web. Okay. So when I pulled the research here, let me go back to return to results. I was in there looking at it. Top tier drywall and painting LLC, only with only 7 citations. While your competition DJ's painting have 14 and strong and relevant citations. Okay. So just like backlinks, we need to get this strong citations or directories too. Okay. And of course, I'll just click in here and see the citations that they have and the opportunities offered on their end. Okay. So we can go after those same citations so that we start beating them on the map pack. Okay. So, anyways, I gave you the 3 things that I think would tremendously help your website. It's links, citations, and content. So if we do those 3 things today, we could start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with your web, kindly give me a call. Okay. Again, this is Mick Julian from PowerShot Leads, and my number is 804-208-0420. And my email is powershotleads@gmail.com. So I know you guys are all really busy, so I'm going to let you go now. So thank you and have a great day ahead.